In this video, I'm going to provide information about the YouTube TV free trial and whether there's a military discount available. If you're a service member or veteran looking to save on streaming services, this guide will help clarify your options. Let's dive in. YouTube TV occasionally offers a free trial, typically lasting 7 days, for new users to test the service. During sign-up, you'll need to enter your payment details, but you won't be charged until the trial ends. As for military discounts, YouTube TV does not currently advertise a specific discount for active military members or veterans. However, some third-party retailers or promotional bundles may offer deals that could benefit military families, so it's worth exploring external offers. Additionally, sharing a single subscription with family members, up to 6 users, can help reduce costs. If this video helped you learn about the YouTube TV free trial and military discount information, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.